if you need to say real projects done on the ground, let's see now.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay, now we are done, almost done.
Yeah, we're done. Yes, we're done.
So you did now. This is the course. This is a breakdown for the course. This is a breakdown for each activity. Fine. So this cost estimate, and from the cost estimate, you develop the cost baseline. Great. So can you summarize here what is the total budget you mentioned? Where? Just.
Yeah.
Great. 1.5.
1.7, not 1.5.
1.7.
1.75.
Good. This is more or less than the fund you have?
No, less. We still have.
We have used some of the contingency that we have.
We have 1.8.
Keep it. Okay. Can I see you? Where are you now?
We're still in the manpower.
In the manpower breakdown, huh?
Yeah, we're
It seems.
bottom line. Everything we have everything every time. This is a base rate.
So this is parametric estimate. Can you say that like this? Parametric estimate. You got the rate and you will apply the rate on the project. So this parameter, great. And the next step is to put on the chart. Good, great, fine. It seems this group always finish quickly and then play games, which is good. So this is the breakdown. So okay, fine, and then you draw your estimate. Can you mention the numbers on these bullets? And then here we need to know the total budget for the project. Good. Question: How do you know this is the right curve? Yes or no? It will. Yes. Yes. Great. It will take S shape. Great. Okay.
After 1 month,
Thank you.